Has this ever happened to you? You turn the key and nothing happens. You could call a tow truck or you could do it yourself. And I'm going to show you how on this episode of Kobalt in the Garage. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a car battery. For this repair, I'll need a 10mm flexible head ratchet wrench, an 8mm wrench, a 3/8 inch ratchet, and a 3/8 inch extension, a 1/2 inch socket, and of course, a new battery. The first step is to remove the battery bracket. I'll use a 10mm flexible head ratchet wrench to remove the 2 bolts that hold the bracket in place. Once I remove the 2 bolts, the bracket comes right off. Now it's time to disconnect the battery terminals. I'll use an 8mm wrench. We're going to remove the negative battery post first and then the positive. That way we don't create a short circuit. There we go. So now the negative battery cable is disconnected. Now we remove the positive side. With the power disconnected, the next step is to remove the battery hold-down bracket so we can pull the bad battery out from under the hood. This particular bracket has a bolt, so we're going to have to remove the bolt. We're using a ratchet and a 3/8 inch extension, and we're using a 1/2 inch socket. So now that we removed the battery terminals, it's time to replace this battery with a new battery. The first step is to replace the battery hold-down using my ratchet and extension. Now the battery cables are going to be installed in reverse order. First, positive, and then the negative. Last, I'll reinstall the battery bracket with 2 bolts. And there you have it. Our battery replacement is complete. So with a new battery, the car starts up just fine.